So today I'm going to clean the front part of my oven. I tested a small section first, and I'm just using a damp paper towel with Barkeeper's Friend and just wiping it down. It is taking me quite a bit of pressure because there's just so much crap built up on it. But I wanted to just focus on things that I can do quickly and simply without overworking myself. So this one was harder to film just because where it is, and harder to do because it's got so much crap on it now. Look at that. The dirt on the glass. Not even gonna touch that for the moment. Just focusing on this outside. Now you can kind of see the before here in the bottom part, which I didn't do. And I don't know that I have enough energy to do it today, but I did get started, and that is a plus in my book. And this does look a lot better, feels better. And now we just got to take care of the bottom. Maybe I'll just take a break and then come back to it. So after taking maybe a 15-minute break or so, I decided to come back to it, and I switched from a paper towel because it was quite a bit grimier down here to this sponge-like sponge like that my auntie gave me, and it's really dirty. I've been using it for way too long now, so I decided to go ahead and use that, and then I'll be able to pitch it after this use case. But I think the lesson I learned here is that, you can do things in sections. So I did sort of push myself to get this bottom half done in the same day. I'm off today, so I do have some more time. I think all total it took me maybe 15 minutes, but again, since it's caked on, it did take more effort, which I'm really not a fan of. I want to do things that are really simple, but it does make the kitchen feel better and cleaner, and definitely that glass needs to get cleaned and the inside of the oven needs to get cleaned. So I will come up with a plan on how to do that. I've rarely cleaned the oven because I don't like all the fumes from the oven cleaners. So I'm looking into natural cleaners. I just want to encourage you to take small sections and just keep going. You don't need to do everything in one day. It didn't get dirty in one day. It's going to take time. And then, of course, the name of the game is to maintain it. And so, of course, hopefully from now on, I'll be better about wiping it up and keeping an eye on it so I don't need to go through this again. And again, it probably needs to be a deeper clean than that, but this was a great start. So, on to the next.